t-shirts that have been selling from Fitties. So like $20 for both of them. And the vest and his bow tie we found on eBay that we paid $22 for. And of course his tie we found at Ross for like $6.
Oh, nice. I think that'll be pretty and they'll tie in well. Let me see that bouquet with those colors.
This is the groom, this is the best man.
It's skinny, huh?
Both of them are. They're both about the same. It's so weird because my 16-year-old is about the same size as my 32-year-old fiance.
Yeah, I might could add a little bit more blue. That turquoise color, yeah.
If you want.
But I think that would work well.
I don't like that the vest pockets are fake outs.
Yeah, but no one's going to know that. Nobody will know that. Nobody will know that.
And then we're debating on whether, because my fiance bought 2 fedoras, bought a black one and a white one, and they're thinking about wearing the fedoras with him.
Yeah, that'd be cute. That'd be cute. We love hats.
My biggest debate, and you're the professional, so you would know, jeans or black slacks?
Black slacks.
Where'd that come from?
Robert. Yeah.
Are y'all wearing boots?
Are you wearing boots?
We're thinking about wearing boots.
Yeah, wear boots. If you're wearing boots, wear jeans.
Okay.
And I think
But
that'll
I'm not
turn
sure
out.
with the fedoras.
Wear the fedoras. We love them. Hats,
I love fedoras.
you know, it adds character. Wear the hats.
Like, he's going to wear a white one with a pink ribbon, I believe, and he's wearing a black one with a teal ribbon, I believe.
Yeah, wear the hats. Hats
Okay.
are always good.
I love them. And the
then
boys look so good in them.
We'll get with you in a couple weeks and plan out when we can fit in that rehearsal.
Okay.
Because our schedule's really crazy, but
My
I'll
daughter
let you know.
should be here the weekend of. She lives in Canaan, or Brownwood, Texas.
Usually we do the rehearsal like a couple days prior.
Okay.
So I'll
But
let
hey,
you know.
on the fly, we've done it right before the wedding too.
We've actually done it right before the wedding when we didn't have time. So
I mean, I've got to fill in if absolutely possible for her spot.
well, if we could do it a couple hours before the wedding, that would work too. And then we're gonna go schlep around the Baker Hotel. I knew it.
I knew the girls were
They were
want
going
to.
nuts. Yeah, we want to go
They're
check
like,
it
oh
out.
my God, they're so excited over the Baker Hotel. And I was like, that's awesome. They didn't know that.
It's like an old haunted mansion just
It
sitting
really
there
is.
waiting to explore. So we're gonna go check it out.
I'll have to
So
find that video again and tag you
let's
in it. that I
plan the
found on Facebook for
rehearsal
girls.
like 2 hours before.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we'll get here a couple hours early and go on an expedition, and then we'll just meet up with you.
Hopefully by then, it's not all rainy and yucky and
Yeah,
yucky
it'll
and-
clear up. It'll clear up.
Yeah, school's starting back up
Congratulations,
tomorrow, so.
and this is gonna be
we're
pretty.
so excited for
Yeah, this is gonna
Thank
be
you.
fun.
I am too. It's nice to finally, at my age, to have found the love of my life.
That's awesome. Yep, most people
It's
go
rare.
a lifetime and don't.
I
Yeah,
know, that's
most people
right.
go a lifetime and don't. Our
think it-
husbands are our best friends. Okay, well, mine's kind of lazy around the house. He's like a blister and shows up when the work's all done. He doesn't mind going to work to save the farm, but he isn't going to get his hands dirty fixing it. So we do all the stuff. And it might be jacked up. Yeah. But if it works, we're not contractors, but we just figure it out.
There you go. That's what we're doing. We're in the process of remodeling. We're redoing floors and curtains and all kinds of crazy stuff right now. We've got family coming in from Arkansas that I've never met, and we're a little nervous because they're higher class.
Okay. Oh, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Hey, everybody put their pants on the same way, one leg at a time.
That's right. That's what I say.
It was so nice meeting you.
It was so nice
Hattie.
to finally meet y'all. I'm so glad to meet y'all. I'm so happy to have been blessed to have been, introduced to y'all.
This little dog's trying to come.